Hey Morphe babes, it's LipstickNick and I'm here today with the beautiful Regan. And we are so excited, I'm excited because we have a brand new sub-brand called Morphe 2. And this brand is very effortless. It's an easy way to play with color if you're someone who's not necessarily like a makeup guru, but you do like that color, you like those pops, and you want to sort of like have that effortless, fun playtime. So we were kind of talking before this, and it sounds like that's kind of like your style, right? Like you do like to play with color and stuff.
I like to play with a lot of color on my eyes, but then my base I like lightweight and I can just easily apply. So I think this is really gonna be something for my routine because I like to go. I like to just get up and go, so.
Well, girl, this is gonna be perfect for you because this is actually a brand new formula for us. It's called the Hint Hint Skin Tint. So think of this as like a very lightweight, sheer, buildable coverage. It looks like your skin. If you have freckles or anything like that, it's still gonna show through. But it does give you coverage in like red areas or anywhere that's like kind of like slightly discolored. But it's so beautiful. It's water-based, so it feels like nothing. And I just can't wait to see this on you because your skin's already glowing, so let's get this on. First, let's find you your color.
Yes.
So the way that these foundations are broken up, we have light, medium, tan, rich, and deep. So it's almost like levels, you know? So for you, I would say that you would be in the middle of like either the end of a level 3 or the beginning of level 4. So I'm gonna go towards the end of level 2 and I'm gonna try Hint of Almond. What are your colors?
These are Toffee and Hint of Caramel.
Ooh, I love the names too. They're so cute.
These are cute.
They like make me want to wear foundation. I'm like, that sounds fun and yummy. Okay, so these come with a little dropper, which are super cute. So we're gonna take just a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna use this brush. You're going with the fingers. Do you usually apply with your fingers?
I have before when it comes down to like tinted moisturizers and things like that.
I love that. And I know earlier we were talking, do you find that it's hard to find your foundation color based on your undertones?
It is. I have like the weirdest skin to me because sometimes it's one color, the next day it's another. And I'm like, this foundation matched me yesterday.
Right.
But today, I don't know what's happening.
Like too, it's like anytime you get a little bit of sun, your color shifts or you start to bring out more of that like warm undertone. And I can see you're definitely like a blend of both. And I am too, I'm warm and cool. So I get either really pink or really olive.
Right.
And it can be really hard. So that is one thing too. And I think anyone that's gonna shop this, I always say like it's easy to find because you just find something that kind of generally looks like your skin tone and it'll work for you.
And run with it.
Exactly.
Sprint with it. Right now I have two shades on, this one being Toffee and this one being Caramel. And I'm kind of feeling the caramel one. I think it's like a hair darker. But then I like this one too because this one gives me like a natural like air, like this is my skin. I just look this good. I don't know, they're both really nice.
Alright, cool, so our complexion is done. I feel fresh, I feel glowy.
Yeah.
And I think we should just finish this look off with a little bit of lip gloss or lip oil. This is the Morphe X Maddie Ziegler collection. And I'm using more of like the purpley tint here, and I think you have more of like the peachy one. And you're also a dancer, right?
I am. I started out dancing because of my mother, who was a dancer and an entertainer. She danced with like Janet Jackson, a whole lot of other people. So I saw her and I was like, I want to do that too. And she was like, go to college. And I was like, wait, you're in the industry. Why can't I be in the industry? Best of both worlds. I still went to school and had to do all that. But yeah, seeing her being in the entertainment industry, I definitely got bit by that bug and wanted to do the same thing. Started out dancing, ended up being a rapper, which people don't usually expect. They're like, you're a rapper? And I'm like, I am.
Wow, can you spit a little like freestyle
gosh.
for us on the skin tint?
What should I do?
You gotta drop a beat for her.
I don't.
Ryan, which one? Name a title.
I don't, that's my beat.
I got addictions of people who light my ignitions by intellectually spitting no fiction, arisen with ambition, fighting composition, screwing the schisms and isms of this violent, vicious, vile vision. Look.
Oh my God, like literally blown away right now. Oh my gosh, you're incredible.
Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you.
Oh wow, that was beautiful. I love that. Oh my
Very
gosh.
short.
It's crazy because we might have met in the past before. We were like talking earlier and your mom used to choreograph dances with Todrick, who's one of my clients. And there's a good chance that like back in the day.
Probably. I was there in like the Target flash mobs when he first started doing stuff, and then to now even like being a part of like Straight Outta Oz, and then seeing you do all this makeup and seeing his face transform with the makeup that you do is incredible. So we probably did meet. And,
I'm sure we were on set together at some point in time, and I'm just like so happy to be here with you. Now it's like flash forward, we're here, we're playing with product, and I'm excited that I was able to give you like a first sneak peek at our new foundation, and I think it works for you and your skin and your lifestyle. If you guys want more of Regan, where can they follow you, babe, on socials?
You can follow me at Regan_UX on Instagram and Regan Aliyah everywhere else.
But until next time, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe, like down below, leave us some comments, let us know if you liked it, and make sure you guys hashtag Morphe too. Bye.